The 1-2 pitch. Rifled into left field, a hit for Gattis. He's turned on a couple of mid-90s fastballs in this game.
Make it 18 hits.
So he's our Georgia lottery hitting the jackpot. Look at the work Evan Gattis has turned in offensively this year. I'd say he's ahead of last year's pace. And that hit streak now indeed moves up to 18 games, the longest active streak in the game.